In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System. Now click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and tap on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, my suggestion strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!